What's going on, guys? Jeremy here with another video. Get back in the light. Before I even start this, I'm going to kind of show you guys something real quick. I don't know if you guys remember when I was talking about you know, the drag strip, and I was having a couple problems with the car. Basically right in here where the throttle body meets the intake, you can see I've already got this thing rigged up, dude. Well, you can kind of see I've got a nut back here holding in these new bolts that are a little bit longer, so I could put a nut on the end of it. Unfortunately, I could only do it to that one, but I did replace all of the bolts connecting the throttle body to the intake manifold. And the reason being, I drove the car yesterday. I smelled tons of fuel, which I was smelling it for a while, but yesterday, I mean, it was like crazy strong. Same thing happened, and you can still see there's a little bit of gap. Well, you can't really see. There's still a little bit of gap in between there. This throttle body will not stay on to the intake manifold. There are some brass little fittings in here, basically brass threads that the bolts would go through, and they're still in there. It's just a pain. It's like they're coming out of the intake. And it just will not hold the throttle body on. So far so good on this. I hate it. It's kind of not really done the right way, but it is holding it on. So yeah, I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, I was losing so much air in between here, and I still am losing a little bit, but I mean, it was to the point where I could take this and just barely pull it back and the throttle body would come off. So yeah, this is one thing, guys. Keep an eye out on your cars, which you shouldn't have a problem if you don't mess with it like I do. You know, I put that stupid throttle body spacer on that I got for free to make a review on, and honestly, that gave me nothing but trouble. And basically what happened, they're not stripped out, the brass inserts themselves. It's the inside of the intake where those fittings actually go. You know, if you were to go and tighten them or loosen them, that brass fitting just spins around inside of the front of the intake. So it's basically kind of shaved off the plastic in here to where it won't grab. So as you would imagine, extremely frustrating. It's a pain, especially when this is the only car I have now. I mean, I've got the Malibu over there, but that's the wife's. Got my work truck, which I can't drive, you know, on the weekends, which I really don't want to anyways. But yeah, definitely frustrating. Anyways, if you have any questions about that, drop a comment below. But I'm just going to go ahead and get right into this video. Alright guys, here we are in the car. Gotta get a cold start every time. It's so loud. Listen to that, you can hear the birds outside. At least I can. And now we finna to disturb the peace here a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh goodness. So I've had a horrible week slash weekend, beginning of weekend, whatever. Obviously it's Wednesday, guys, but I am recording this on a Saturday morning. It's been a horrible week as far as work, as far as like everything. So hearing the car start up is music to my ears. I apologize, guys. I'm gonna be itching my eye like this whole video. It is pollen season and it's killing me. I kind of quit Monster for like a week and kind of started going to Dunkin' Donuts, getting some coffee, which I will say, they're I don't know if you can hear me. Let me go to fourth. They've got a French vanilla swirl coffee. Oh my gosh, so good. You've got to get it though. Cream and sugar, sometimes a little extra shot of creamer. It don't. What is that noise? No, God! My car's making noise again, y'all. No, God!
Please, no! No!
It has not done this in a while, and now it's doing it. Hold on. We might be able to get it. Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
What was that? Is it? I'm just gonna get my monster. I'm just gonna keep driving it. It's like a rattling or vibration under the car. I'm about tired of it. All right, I'm gonna get a monster. I might not even post this. It's bull. Not sure what's going on with my car. I just don't know what is rattling. Too short to worry about it, y'all. So anyways, basically I'm heading out right now, going to go get some goodies. This is like something I have needed for so long, and I'm finally going out and buying one. And when you see what it is, you're gonna be like, dude, I can't believe you don't have one already. Any person with a nice car needs this. And I've been dying and dying to have this. So today, I'm finally gonna go out, treat myself, and get one. I'm gonna assume most of you aren't gonna be able to guess what this is. Stop right here, drop a comment if you think you know what it's gonna be. It is car related, so definitely drop a comment. Tell me what you guys think. All right, well, I'm about to pull up here, get my stuff, and I'll see you guys back here in a minute. All right, guys, welcome to the dirty house. Finally back up in here. This is what I got. Probably paid too much for this thing, but let's focus. Dude, get off the counter. So probably paid a little bit too much. This was like 30 bucks. Little foam blaster. My neighbor has one. It actually works pretty good. I don't think worth $30, but you know, whatever. Here's another Ryobi 1600 PSI electric pressure washer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. This is not the one I wanted, by the way, but I made do with it. The only difference though, the other one was green. It had like a really cool stand on it. And it had a built-in little area, a little reservoir where you could put soap in. What? What do you want? Do you need something? Anyway, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Looks pretty decent. Nice little lines here. Set that to the side. Got a nozzle. Got the gun. This is pretty cool. Hold on. Alright, so I've always wanted a pressure washer, honestly. I've just never got one. But this is nice. It doesn't feel cheap or anything. So, got the nozzles right here that come on it. Which actually, let me go ahead and do this. We'll let the cat, you know, chill in the box. So here it is. Nothing special, just basic little portable pressure washer. Got two little fittings here. One's abrasive, which is the orange. Then you got blue, which is going to be a gentle fitting. looks like those just kind of snap right in. Now we've got the foam cannon. This is what I was really looking forward to the most. Now granted, oh, and it comes with some Ryobi foam blaster. Yeah, so we're not going to use this. We're actually going to use Mofo by Rev Auto Supply. Yeah, this is cool though. And Ryobi does make a good product, so all this does is basically it's going to fit right into here. Pull that back, snap it in. Bam. We've got our little foam blaster set up. You've got a nozzle or adjustment here to how much you want to spray out, which is pretty cool. You've also got a nozzle here at the front where you can kind of turn. Should be able to, yep, turn it. Different angles, you know, that's the side to side, the other one's up and down, is what I'm assuming. But really cool, and I'm actually super excited to put this together and wash the car. Granted, like I said, I'm like way out of focus. Granted, like I said, with the pollen out, this is just going to be a basic wash. I'm not going to wax it. I'm just going to wash it, dry it off with a chamois, and call it a day. I really want to clay bar it, but in all honesty, the cat's in the box. In all honesty, I'm going to wait till there's no pollen out because I don't want to risk rubbing any of that pollen into the paint. What are you doing? You gonna get out because the dog's coming? What, you want to get in the box too, dog? No, sir. Going back in your box, Bubs. Alright. Alright, guys, so we're like sideways. So, man, I'm fat, I'm out of breath. I got everything hooked up on the pressure washer. Basically, I don't want to ruin it in this video. Today I just kind of want to show you guys, you know, what I was going out driving into town and getting. What I want to do, it's probably not going to be next Wednesday, but the following Wednesday, kind of do a video and just show how well these Rev Auto Supply products work. You know, next week coming up, probably going to talk about some of the merchandising. I basically got everything sorted out. I've got my order in, kind of doubled from 15, went to 30 shirts. There's going to be limited amounts of extra large. So most of these are going to be large. There are a couple XLs. So you're definitely going to have to be kind of quick on those when they do come out. I'm working on a little website right now. It's just one of those free websites where I can kind of sell some merchandise. Like I said, this is all going to be a test run. If everything works out well, I'll put out more merchandise. Probably a lot more than shirts too. I've been thinking about, you know, keyring tags, kind of like the remove before flight, airborne tags, some hats. It really all depends on how everything goes, but really just kind of wanted to start off with shirts. Anyways, we'll save that for next week, and then the following Wednesday, I'll go ahead and pull the car out, weather permitting, and clean it up, and show you how well these products work. Remember guys, go up to Rev Auto Supply, check them out, Google them, they're on Facebook. But remember guys, you can get a very, very generous discount using code NASTY2SS, so definitely do that. Awesome guys, they support what I'm doing, and obviously I support them. So, cool deal guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I know this was kind of a little BS video, but just wanted to put something out there. But that's it guys, as always, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.